Hey, what's up XRP holder? So what's going on? This video is completely very important for all holder because this is now the end of month, and absolutely I will tell you my brothers to can really they will move forward now and they will give you a profit, especially this is last day. So what's the opinion, sell, hold or buy, everything my friend we discussed with completely about XRP my brother, especially holder so who invest for a new time my friend first time. Definitely this is very important for all of you now. So take any decision, please research personally, but this is just my friend advice for all of you, not a financial video, remember my brother. So this time FI my friend is going to show you the more update about XRP. So you can see this time the market cap is fails down, decreasing 1.16%, and you can see the price is 1.16% fails down. So it's mean to XRP completely in the loss now. What's the reason my friends to they have lost now? Absolutely this is a main reason my friend, what I tell you my friend. The main reason is that, especially when a short-term investor starting selling, when they take a jump my friend, then the short-term investor starting selling, so the coin is again falls down. So therefore XRP holder don't see this short fail and just only hold it now. Fully diluted market cap, as you can see over this time 1.26% fails down, and volume last 24 hours 32.90% increase. Now it's a really good news for all of you my brother. Volume market cap 0.1093 and circulating supply 46 billion my friend, and absolutely they will 46% increase now. So max supply you can see my brother, and total supply everything is on the screen my brother. Let's check out my friend this time the last 1 month chart my brothers to what they do in last 1 month, and in July they will give you a profit, they will give you a profit or not my brother. This is very important for all of you now. So let's see my brother, but kindly subscribe this channel and also like the video and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you subscribe it and press bell icon. Alright my brother, this time you can see here the XRP price is completely hour by hour, minute by minute fails down. So what's the main reason my brother? Absolutely I already tell you my brothers to what's the reason, and definitely my friend when they fails down, so remember to after fails they will take a very huge jump now. So I know to upcoming time they will take a very huge jump now, but kindly we need my brothers to hold and my friend wait for a good time. So XRP holder, please wait and hold, and see you next time my brother. I hope I will give you a good update. So kindly please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.